You recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Can you please send it on my number once the class ends? You have
Yes,
my
ma'am.
WhatsApp number?
I think I do. I'll just check once. I don't have your number. Let me check WhatsApp. I feel like I saved your number. I don't have your number, ma'am.
Anna, you have my WhatsApp number?
No, ma'am, I don't have your number.
Okay, fine. I'm typing in the chat box. Okay. Anna, have you started the recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So today we are going to study ratio and proportion. Fine. तो मतलब रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन मैथ्स का वो टॉपिक है परसेंटेज के अलावा विच इज वेरी वेरी बेसिक. मतलब इवन इन योर डेली लाइफ जैसे तुम्हारा परसेंटेज यूज होता है, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन बहुत चीजों में यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी तुम एक आगे जो कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ोगे मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशंस, उसमें रेशियो प्रोपोर्शंस प्ले अ
माँ
वेरी
मेरी
वेरी
क्लास
इंपॉर्टेंट
चल
रोल.
रही है,
फाइन.
एक्स्ट्रा क्लास
एज
है।
परसेंटेज प्ले अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सो रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन में एक ऐसा टॉपिक है विच प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशंस. सो ये जो तुम बेसिक टॉपिक्स पढ़ रहे हो ना, इससे जो बाद के टॉपिक्स है जो थोड़े बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक्स है उससे रिलेटेड है. सो वंस यू क्लियर विद दीस बेसिक टॉपिक्स विल मूव ऑन टू दोस कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक्स. तो उसके लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि तुम्हारे ये सारे टॉपिक्स, ये सारे जो बेसिक टॉपिक्स है परसेंटेज रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन, ये सब क्लियर होते जाए. फाइन. सो एवरीवन आईज खुला रखो, ears खुले रखो, attention full, focus on screen. I don't want to miss any part. I don't want you guys to miss any part, any aspect of the class. Fine. And I'm going to ask questions at the last of the class and I want every one of you to answer them. कोई भी डाउट होगा मेरे से बोल के पूछना, because again I'll be teaching you guys, so I won't be able to see the hands raised. So please just unmute yourself and ask the doubt. Fine. Thumbs ups everyone. Fast. Okay, very good. So let's start. अब रेशियोज क्या होते हैं, ठीक है? तो सिंपल बेसिक टर्म्स 6, 7, 8 के मैथ्स बुक एनसीईआरटी के टर्म्स में अगर इसको समझा जाए तो 1 सेकेंड, सो सॉरी. हाँ, yes. So ratio in a math is a term that is used to compare two or more numbers. For example 5 और 6 है, अगर इन दोनों numbers को हमें compare करना है तो we use the term ratio 5:6. That's it. तो ये जो compare भी होता है ना, that is compared using division. ठीक है? तो अगर we are writing 5:6 which means it is 5/6 actually. वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स जो कि तुम लोग ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके होगे 6, 7, 8 में, कि रेशियोज का यूज टू कंपेयर टू नंबर्स, डिविजन फॉर्म में लिखा था अगर रेशियो में हम लोग लिखते भी हैं तो. फाइन. So for example, if we have 25 total students in a class and 13 are boys while 12 are girls, माती नींद आ रही है?
No, I'm fine. It's okay.
You're fine? Okay, so if we want to compare boys and girls, we'll just simply do it 13:12, which means 13/12 actually. Fine. Is to का symbol ये होता है. One thing is to always keep in mind is comparison of two quantities of the same unit. For example, किसी question में दिया है कि you have to compare 12 kgs of rice, ठीक है, versus 5,000 grams of rice. You cannot directly write there 12:5,000 क्योंकि ये दोनों सेम यूनिट्स में है ही नहीं. Either you'll have to convert gram to kg or kg to gram in order to convert this into ratio form. तो इसको या तो हम लोग लिखेंगे 12,000:5,000 या फिर we'll write 12:5. That's it. Okay. तो ये 12:5 रेशियो आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So it's a comparison of the numbers of the same units. Units should be same. ये सब केसलेट्स में आ सकते हैं, सो ध्यान रखो किसी भी दो यूनिट को कंपेयर करने दिया जा सकता है, रेशियो दिया जा सकता है, उसका यूनिट्स अलग रह सकते हैं। ये सब छोटी छोटी चीज है which the CLAT wants you to know. Fine. So moving on to the proportions thing. A proportion is equality of two ratios. You want to say hi? No. Please. No. You have to check how many people are in. I think 18. Okay. Okay, so what are proportions? So ratio is the comparison of two numbers. Proportion is the comparison of two ratios. Basically an extended version of the ratios. Fine. तो अगर ratio हमारा A is to B है, तो उसी रेशियो में if we add another ratio C is to D, और इन दोनों का जो equality होता है, that is your proportion. That's it. Fine. तो इसको हम लोग लिखते कैसे? A is to B is to C is to D. This sign means A is to B is equals to C is to D. Fine. A is to B को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Arna, how can we write A is to B?
A upon B.
You're right. A upon B क्योंकि division sign हो जाएगा as it is ratio C by D. Now this is very very important formula for proportion. जितने भी basic sums आएंगे proportion के will be based on this. But again, what you have to remember is इन दोनों के units same होने चाहिए और इन दोनों के units same होने चाहिए. जरूरी नहीं है कि A, B, C और D के units same हो, because again they are two different ratios. Fine. एक respective ratio के units same होने चाहिए. Fine. So this formula क्या? It's a basic जो कि proportion के definition पे based है, should be learned in order to solve all the basic sums of the proportions. Am I clear, everyone? Very nice. Now, what does CLAT want you to know? What does CLAT expects out of you in ratio and proportion thing? Again, splitting a number in given ratio is very, very prominent question, very basic question. जरूर पूछेगा किसी ना किसी केस में. It will be asking you, मतलब कोई भी ऐसा number दे देगा 2000 and the ratio will be given 13:12 and you'll have to find out. You'll have to find out कि इसमें कितने हैं और इसमें कितने हैं, which is a very, very prominent question in CLAT exam and very important. Solving basic sums of ratios केसलेट में करने दिया जाएगा. Basic sums of proportions again. A is to C कैसे निकालते हैं? From A is to B and B is to C. Again, very important. Using of common factor X, ये basically थोड़ा linear equation से भी relate हो जाता है, but most prominently ratio के questions में दिया जाता है. Finding number of coins in a bag, not very important, but a concept which you should know in case अगर कुछ ऐसा out of the blue पूछ दिया तो. And adding and removing quantities, more of like mixtures and allocations, but a less version of that. Fine, mixtures and allocations का जो basic version है वो हम लोग किसी और class में पढ़ेंगे. It's kind of adding and removing quantities जो कि simple है. Fine. Am I clear till here, everyone? किसी को doubt ratio proportion के basic definition में या CLAT क्या क्या पूछेगा उसमें? Anyone? कुछ भी? Fine. Very important. Splitting a number in given ratio. ठीक है? Okay, so इसके दो मेथड है, ठीक है? You have two methods in this. For example, if it is given, divide 720 in the ratio 2:3. तो इसमें तुम्हारा total क्या है? What is the total here? Madhi, what is the total here? What is the total?
720.
Right. And the ratio given is 2:3. Basically, तुमको ये जो total part है, you have to split in this particular ratio. मतलब तुम्हारे पास दो नंबर ऐसे आने चाहिए जो add up होके exactly 721. Fine. So how do you do this? First is the formula method. There is direct formula for finding first and second quantity. First quantity का formula is first part by, everyone note down, sum of parts into given number. This is your first quantity का formula. Second part में we just replace this first part and we write second part by sum of parts into given number. That's it. So subsequently, that is also the formula for अगर मतलब ऐसा ratio दे दिया A is to B is to C, तो अगर वहाँ पे तीसरा part भी रहा तो you can just replace the second by third and the same, the rest of the formula will be same. Fine. तो basic इसका ये होता है कि जो भी part दिया है by sum of parts into given number. So here, your first part is 2, obviously. So it's going to be पहला 2, ठीक है? Sum of parts means 2 plus 3. जितने भी पार्ट्स दिए अगर फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे 5 भी दिया है तो 2 plus 3 plus 5 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? यहाँ पे 5 नहीं दिया है, so it's going to be 2 plus 3 into given number which is 720. So it's going to be 2 by 5 into 720 which is 288. Okay? Subsequently, second number में we'll use the second part by sum of parts again into 720, which is going to be 3 by 5 into 720, which will come automatically 432. इन दोनों को add करोगे, which will make it up to 720. Am I clear? ये method just
Yes, ma'am.
जितने parts दिए A is to B is to C, तो A by A plus B plus C into given number, B by A plus B plus C into given number, C by A plus B plus C into given number. Very easy, very prominent method, but again, a very, very important question. Done? Should I move on to the next method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next method में क्या है? This is also one of the things जो कि you are going to study in X factor also. उसका छोटा version है ये. तो अगर कोई भी ratio होता है, fine. We deduct that given ratio to a common number. For example, let the numbers be 2x and 3x. जो भी रेशियो उसमें बस x ऐड कर दो, कॉमन फैक्टर, जैसे k भी ऐड, any variable which you want to add, 2x 3x. Fine. अगर अब उसका सम क्या है 720. So we just add 2x plus 3x is equals to 720.
20.
5x is equals to 720
Then linear
and you get
equation
the
भी है.
variable x as 144. अब निकालना क्या है तुम्हें 2x. तो
2x.
यहाँ पे 2 into 144 करते हैं, which is 288, और यहाँ पे 3x जो करना है, that is 3 into 144, which is 432. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the two methods. पहला हो गया formula वाला, दूसरा हो गया you just have to deduct that to the common factor x. बस जो ratio दिया है जैसे 5 is to 6 दिया है, तो 5x और 6x उसका sum will be equal to whatever numbers. For example 720 दिया है, तो 720 हो जाएगा. Fine? Okay. So I want you guys to solve number 3. Rest you'll be given as the assignment. Fast. You guys have a minute to solve this.
Eh? 25, 32x, 1024x is equals to 1024. 32, I have no idea how to solve this, but okay. 5078. I have no idea.
Done?
No, ma'am.
Fast.
Oh my god. 16, 5, 1, 2, 8, 2, 5, 6, 4, 1, 2,
I think it should be done by now.
Literally
Who will answer this? Harshita Khanna? Harshita
Yes,
Khanna,
ma'am.
can you answer this? Please switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
No,
answer this?
ma'am, I'm stuck between the calculation.
Okay. Lasya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you calculate this?
First part 15x is equals to 480, ma'am. Second one
The rest?
I'm calculating, ma'am.
Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am. 544.
Ma'am, should I tell?
544.
Should I tell?
अरे
Done?
बोलो
480.
And the next one?